Hey guys, Chris here with Crypto Bee Vision, bringing you another wicked video. Today we're going to bring you Quickswap updates for the month of June, July, the networks that they're going to be trading on. Of course, they've started to distribute their tokens, guys. It is all vesting, but very, very smart. And the vesting period is short, 2 to 3 months, guys. 90 days if you're in pre-sale, and the private sailors, I'm not really too sure about them, but it's all in the Telegram. They have a big month of June ahead, and they have a lot of definite announcements. And for a steal of a deal of a price between 15 and 17 cents, guys, I think the all-time high was up around 55, 60 cents. It is a third of the price that you will pay possibly in 3 weeks to a month from now. Of course, the market's had a pretty big dip, but everything is wrecked, guys. Everything. I'm wrecked, you're wrecked, we're all wrecked. But in the end, guys, we are in a bull run. We know this. It's not over. Don't listen to what the naysayers are saying. We have a big run up ahead of us. I believe that, in my opinion. So let's take a look at Quickswap, guys, Quickstarter, and take a look at what they have coming up in the coming months. But before we do, I'm going to ask you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys. Don't forget to check out the Crypto Bee Untouchables Telegram, guys. We keep that level under 1,000 people. That way we have the quality people in there. We have guys who love Hex. We have guys who love Polkadot. We got everything, guys and girls, all welcome. So thanks a bunch for watching, guys. Let's take a look at Quickswap. So guys, I think we're going to start here, which is the Quickswap.org. Now this is your general information page for Quickswap. Of course, it says it's a protocol on the Ethereum network. It is, guys. It is an ERC20 based token, but you can bridge it over to BSC, and we're going to go over a couple super cool updates coming in this month in June. So with this is their main page. This is their main website. It's a cross-chain automated protocol on Ethereum, Polkadot, incorporating Plasm and Acala network parachains, guys. So why is that important? I personally don't think that the Polkadot ecosystem has taken off like Ethereum has, like Cardano has, like Matic has. I think that the Polkadot ecosystem is coming up next. And Quickswap with their Quickstarter and everything they're offering with IDOs, I think that this could be a diamond in the rough, guys. We'll go over the tokenomics, just the market cap and the total supply in a bit. Now, lightning fast transactions, stake, swap, add liquidity, which means liquidity pools, possible yield farming. They really are amazing, and the team is doxed and great. I'm constantly in touch with them, guys. What they are doing is absolutely amazing, and I don't know another project that's doing that with the Polkadot network, Plasm, and Acala yet. Of course, I'm not researching all that much into other spots. So now with this, if we click over to this is their app. So you would have clicked launch app. Now, of course, you've seen this before. It looks like Uniswap for Ethereum. It looks a little bit like PancakeSwap for BSC, and it looks a little bit like ViperSwap for Harmony, and of course Quickswap for Matic. But this Quickswap is different. You can play with the testnet on Plasm. I haven't played with it yet. I'm just very supportive of this project. I continuously buy when I can, when I make a little bit somewhere else. I like to average in and continue to hold my bag. I do stake quite a bit as well. So with Quickswap, guys, its all-time high was around 60 cents, I believe, and it's sitting at about 17.5 cents. So that, to me, a third of the all-time high. It, of course, launched at one of the worst times in the market. I would say the worst time possibly in the last year at least. Everybody's wrecked right now, you know, including myself. So projects are having a really hard time, but they continuously work, they continuously build, and they're continuously updating everything that they have. Now, this is a page I hadn't seen until I looked right before I was making you guys this video. So this is a multi-chain decentralized swap exchange protocol. Okay, what does that mean, guys? Well, as you can see here, Polkadot, Plasm, Reef is in there, Acala, and Binance Smart Chain, guys. So the unique swaps protocol with layer 2 scaling on the Polkadot chain. So, and you can test the Plasm network. So, as you can see, Quickswap is at the center of all of this. You can swap Plasm, Polkadot, Ethereum, Binance, Acala. This really is something to think about, guys, because when the Polkadot ecosystem takes off and Quickswap and Quickstarter are at the heart of it, what's going to happen? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. I think the market cap's at like 1.3 million right now too, so it's really not a bad time to get in. So Quickswap is a decentralized protocol built on the Ethereum network, guys. But Quickswap is the first multi-chain DEX on Plasm and Reef Chain, which future iterations will also see Quickswap DEX developed on Acala and Polkadot, guys. Now these guys are talking to the leaders of these projects. These guys are integrated. They are working towards a resolution to be able to be launched on these other networks, guys. It's very, very important, guys. Very important. So the Quickswap info, they have something like this, like PancakeSwap has the same thing, where you can see the different tokens. You can search the pairs and find out where you're trading. And when they onboard more and more pairs, guys, you're going to be able to trade more. And with more pairs trading, comes more volume, one of our favorite things. They also have their Quickstarter, and it's a decentralized IDO platform on the Binance Smart Chain network, guys. Now, that's where you stake, and they have, of course, well, there's lots of IDO platforms on the Binance Smart Chain, but how many do you know integrate with Plasm, Acala, and Polkadot, guys? It's something to think about. We got to think future, not just aping for the next 24 hours. So you can check out all these links I'll put in the description, guys. These updated June, September milestones, guys. So it's the first DEX on the Reef chain, and that's coming in June. And the first IDO launchpad on Reef, guys, because they're partnered with Reef, right? And Quickstarter, that's going to be launched on Quickstarter. So the Quickswap DEX on Avalanche, guys, that is huge. Polka Panda NFT marketplace, Quickswap DEX on Plasma Mainnet, and Quickswap DEX on Kusama and Acala, guys. Wow, that is going to be massive. I really do think that Quickswap has a lot to offer, and you're sitting at, if we take a look at the tokenomics, guys, okay. So your $1.3 million market cap, this is right in the pocket that I like, because 100x, guys, puts it at $130 million market cap. Now, to me, if something is offering an IDO Quickstarter platform, it's offering Acala, Polkadot, Plasm network, sitting at a $1.3 million market cap. How easy is it to hit a $130 million market cap? It's, you see these BSC or Binance Smart Chain apes hit $200, $300, $400 million market caps, and they're fresh, they're new, they're meme coins. So come on, guys, let's really take a look at the Quickswap protocol. Their total supply is 250 million, guys. That's low compared to a lot of other projects with circulating supply at about 7.3 million, guys. This thing is going to be massive. Whether you hop on board now or you hop on board later, guys, now's the time. You're sitting at under 18 cents, guys. It is definitely one of my top projected projects for the remainder of this year, for the next 5 to 6 months. So I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate your time. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, ding that bell, guys. And don't forget to check out Quickswap's Telegram and the Crypto Be Untouchables Telegram, guys. We want to see you in there. We'd love to hear from you. So thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.